Bubblicious, right? We call it Bubblicious. We got our cameraman Samira in the back, you know? In the back.
I'm not a man, nigga.
Our camera girl. We outside, so it's gonna look raggedy. Real raggedy. It's really, really cold. Why?
Sorry. No, I gotta get me a piece out dog because I'm making more than $100. But I'm gonna go get some clear glue. But you can't have my container, that's it.
She's like, are we still doing it?
Alright.
What's your music name, Kanye?
Put the container down. Put the video right here. Sit it down here.
Bye, 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 bye.
My arm hurt. It ain't gonna make no sound because it's cold. It's real.
Oh, she's like